Before you apply for another credit card, you need to understand this one number, because this number alone can make your credit score go up or crash it down. It's called credit utilization, and most Americans completely misunderstand it. Let me explain it in 60 seconds first. If your credit card limit is $1,000 and you're using $500, your utilization is 50%. Simple. Now here's the problem. Banks don't like high utilization because high utilization makes you look financially stressed, even if you pay on time. Crazy, right? Now imagine this. Person A has a $10,000 limit. They spend $8,000. That's 80% utilization. Person B also spends money responsibly, but only uses $500 out of $10,000. That's just 5%. Who looks safer to the bank? Person B, every single time. And that's why two people can earn the same income, pay on time, use the same credit card, yet have completely different credit scores. Now let's talk about the golden rule. Most experts say keep utilization below 30%. But people with excellent credit scores usually stay below 10%. That's the secret. Now here's where most people make a huge mistake. They think, I'll just pay my card before the due date. Not always, because banks usually report your balance on the statement closing date, not the due date. That means if your statement closes on the 25th and you pay on the 30th, the bank may already have reported a high balance, and your score could temporarily drop. This is why smart credit users pay down balances before the statement closing date. Same card, same spending, different timing, better results. Now let's look at a real example. Credit limit equals $5,000. Balance equals $4,000. Utilization equals 80%. That's considered high risk. Now imagine you pay it down to $400 before the statement closes. Your utilization becomes 8%. Suddenly, you look much safer to lenders, and your credit profile becomes stronger. Here's another thing most people don't know. Utilization is calculated on each card and across all cards combined. So maxing out one card, even if your total utilization is low, can still hurt your score. That's why spreading spending across cards can sometimes help. Now let's answer the biggest question. Does utilization have memory? Generally, the newest reported utilization matters the most, which means if your utilization was high last month but low this month, your score can recover quickly. That's good news. So here's the simple formula. Use your credit card, earn rewards, pay on time, keep utilization under 10%, and pay before the statement closing date whenever possible. Do those 4 things, and you'll be ahead of most people. Because building excellent credit isn't about making more money, it's about understanding how the system works. Subscribe to MoneyMind AI for more USA credit card tips, credit score hacks, and smart